Hi everyone, this is just a quick video to kind of highlight the information that needs to be included on your micro-teaching proposal. I just wanted to show you what I've done is I've split the screen in hopes to help you to understand. So let me back this up just a minute. This is your micro-teaching proposal, and as we discussed last night, this is the information right down here that needs to be included on this Excel spreadsheet. So what I've done is look at this EDCO 390 resource, and when you click on that, it will bring up this document here. Okay, the information that needs to be on your Excel spreadsheet is the information highlighted in the blue highlighting. So I will go over that individually here. So let me scroll down. And to get to this resource, if you click on this link, it'll bring it right up. So the Excel spreadsheet covers the bulleted points below. So this would be your grade, and that's right here, grade B specific. Discipline, which is also known as your subject. Title or topic is right here, the title of your lesson. And then it talks about instructional innovation. And let me get that larger here. For your instructional innovation, that means the new teaching idea or what you're going to be presenting or a new method or device that you will be trying. So that's your instructional innovation. Right under that is where we talk about standards. So the first one is your disciplinary standard, which is right here. And then I've also put a link to all the other disciplinary standards. Your ISTE standards, which is right here. And then your digital citizenship, which is right here. So for these information right here, there's links on here and they're all highlighted in blue. And then the next portion is your classroom technology and materials needed. So here's some multimedia resources and then any type of classroom technology that you're going to be using. I didn't specifically list that because that would be individual to what you're going to be teaching. So I know some of you had questions, so hopefully this helps answer them. Have a great day, and please let me know what other questions you have. Thank you.